Alright, hello YouTubers. I am getting ready to do my chicken Parmesan part 2. Let me get this chicken out of the oven now that it's been baked nicely. And there's chicken is in the pan already. Now let me flip this over so I can make sure and flip each one of these over so I can get it to bake nicely. Two and three and woohoo! Almost got myself burned there. 4. There we go. Now I got my chicken in the cooker here in the pan. I'll show you that. So I'll bring it over there. There it is, my chicken. Now it says to top it with the sauce. So I'm gonna get my spoon and sauce it up. Because the sauce is the boss, yo.